Welcome students. In this video we're going to learn how to do exponential integration. So we're going to use substitution. The first step is to let the inner function of e as equal to u, the substitution. We're going to do substitution. So let u equals 10x minus 3. So we let du equals 10 dx. Now we change the form of the integral, so that's gonna be equal to remember we have 10 dx. We don't have a 10 here, so we have to compensate for it. So we do 1 over 10, then e to the u du, and that is equal to the integral of e to the u is just equal to 1 over 10 e to the u plus c. Then we plug in what u is. So u is equal to 10x minus 3, so we let 1 over 10 e 10x minus 3 plus c. That's the final answer. Thank you very much, students.